Racing just is started. We have Kabaki. Break quick. Let us start moving up in between horses is Casey. Shoemaker comes next. Maguindanao. Best guys in the middle portion. Now rushing up is Flag Bearer. The next online is Racing to Glory. Mrs. J Highway Run comes next. Then followed over by Time to Change. Then next online now is entry number 2, and this one is Malambing. While Major Credit is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back we have Kabake by about 3 lengths, and in second is Casey running by the Rayleigh Shoemaker. Then next online is Racing to Glory. Maguindanao comes next. Flag Bearer. Best guys rushing up now on the outside is entry number 10, and this one rather number 11, Time to Change. And at the far turn we have Kabake maintaining a length and a half lead, and in second is Shoemaker. Casey on the outside. Racing to Glory comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kabake maintaining a length and a half lead. Shoemaker is on the outside as they swing for Kabake. Shoemaker moving up now on the outside, and I was saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Shoemaker. Kabake is down on the inside. Shoemaker, Kabake, Shoemaker, Kabake, and finally Shoemaker, Kabake. Then comes Racing to Glory. Time to Change. KC, Best Guys, and Maguindanao.
6-1-11.